Great, let's begin. I have a mood board for you to achieve today. Everyone's been watching White Lotus and being inspired by what the show has been doing. I've seen a lot of fashion campaigns being generated in similar tones in real life with the same kind of styling. So we've selected a couple of garments that we're going to be generating today. A great highlight from the show is the kind of sunglasses they wear, the kind of styling. We've taken a printed shirt because we all know that solids are easier than prints to do. So obviously took an ambitious shirt as well. And then I want to talk about the mood board that we've put together, which has also been designed by Caimera, the app itself, which is able to actually study a concept and create its own mood boards because half the problem is what to generate. So you see here, it's a different kind of resort than the one in White Lotus, but that's our own interpretation of it because why not do something unique? And that's what the campaign ideas tool in Chimera does. It gives you a unique set of ideas and not like outright copy of the scene. But obviously, as you can see, the characters have the same sunglasses. They have a similar vibe about them. And I was actually trying to name this campaign On a Break because it's about this couple that's gone to this resort and then they're on a break. And we all know that White Lotus is a murder mystery.